Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI. Let me tell you about an amazing conditioner that I've been using for almost 5 years now. I'm talking about the Intensive Repair Conditioner by L'Occitane. Thanks to this amazing conditioner, my hair is always smooth, shiny, and moisturized. What I like to do to detangle my hair is that I like to apply a little bit of conditioner on my hands and then on my hair, and I leave it on for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then the process of detangle the hair is very easy. With 5 essential oils, this conditioner can help if you have very damaged hair or if you have dry hair like mine. Also with your split ends, it makes them stronger. Something else that I like to mention is the scent that it has. It really smells delicious because it's like a mix of flowers and fruits. It's a really good combination and it leaves your hair smelling really good. So if you want your hair to feel smooth, be shiny, be moisturized, I really recommend the Intensive Repair Conditioner by L'Occitane. And that's my point of view.